Till one day, everything changed.
Polka Theatre Company has been running wellbeing workshops in primary schools.
They focus specifically on stories and characters to explore the situations and emotions that children may have experienced during the pandemic.
If we're feeling worried, what can we do to help us stop feeling worried?
We can talk to other people about it.
Of course we can talk to other people about it.
It allows us to understand and express ourselves. And theatre can help children learn important values such as respect, such as tolerance, and it allows children to put themselves in the shoes of the characters. All children have been affected in one way or another to varying degrees. It will continue to affect children for quite some time.
The work to help children affected by this year has already begun. Caroline Davis, BBC London.